A Jerry Service Center here again. Specialist in SUVs, pickup 4x4s. Today we installed another catch can. There's one of the new paddles that we do not complete suspension and transmission flush on those on a paddle. Again, guys, we have universal handrest in case you want, but I just want to show you a quick catch can video. Again, we're doing it here on a Hilux. There you go. So simple process. This is the catch can here, right? All sold out since my last videos. Sold out on 2 occasions. So we got new stock again. This one's a little bit different design. So this is where you have simple, that you have your blow by coming out here, sorry, from your tappet cover. So it just goes straight into the can. All your contamination and oil and everything flows down here. This could screw out and you could drain it out. So it goes in here, and after the oil liquid settles here, you just get new clean air coming out back and going in back into the system. Simple as that. One hose in and one hose out, and you're solving most of the contamination with your turbo, intake system, air filter, throttle body, all these things. And here, this is a dipstick. So when it can, if you don't know how much oil the can catches, you can remove this dipstick, check it, and anytime it's full, you can just screw out the bottom, the lower part here, dump out the oil, and screw it in back. So we just finished this installation. Jerry Service Center. Simple simple process. One hose going in, the other one coming out. Catch can, solving most of your blow-bys, back pressure, fluids. So give us a call at Jerry Service Center. We have new catch cans available for wholesale and retail. Wholesale is 684-5161. Retail, they get it at the store, 6710713. Jerry Service Center Limited.